everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So glad you guys can make it. My name is Brittany, and if it's your first time, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, okay? And also follow me on Instagram, turn on my notifications, all that good stuff. I'll leave the link to my Instagram in the description box, and just turn on my notifications so you guys know when I upload. And yeah, so for today's look, I really can't describe what I was going for today, but all I can say is that it worked. And it's just a gold glitter cut crease. I'm practicing my cut creases, so y'all are gonna see a lot of cut creases from me. And I was gonna go for a red lip, but for some reason I just diverted to purple. I don't know, but it looks good. Well, I think it looks good. Hopefully y'all think it looks good, and hopefully you guys enjoy the tutorial. Once again, make sure you comment, like, subscribe, share, turn on notifications, follow me on Instagram, and I guess we'll just get right into the look.
Okay, so the first color I used to start off the look is this really dark brown pretty color from the Soft Glam palette. And I'm taking a Morphe brush. I will link all the brushes I used in the description box. And I'm just using it and buffing out the color as well as like winging it out, because we are going for like a winged cut crease. And the next color I'm using is that it's like a lighter, it's like a beige kind of. I think the name of the color is burnt orange. And I'm just using that to blend out the rough edges from like the brown color and, you know, just marrying them together. Then I'm going in with this black color to begin to deepen up the crease and add dimension. And I took a Morphe 507 brush. I remember the brush for this one. And then I'm just going back into that dark brown color to blend out the harshness of the black and making sure it's not looking crazy on my eyes. So here I'm just carefully cutting the crease using concealer from LA Girl, and I'm just placing that concealer all over the lid. And then I went into one of my other eyeshadow palettes to pick up this really nice champagne-y color. It's like a shimmer, and I also packed that on the concealer. And then I'm here drawing my wing liner with my Wet n Wild like waterproof liner. And then I went in with some NYX glitter. It's golden color, and I just thought that would be a really cute finish to the whole look. And so now for my face, I'm priming using the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Primer. And even though I'm using a matte foundation, my skin felt so dry, so I felt like I needed the hydration. And the shades that I use here is 420 and 430. And you guys, I've said this a million times on my channel that these two together is like a match made in heaven for me. And I'm using an e.l.f. beauty sponge to blend everything out and making sure it looks really, 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 really good. Then for concealer, I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade 390, and I'm applying that under my eyes, on my mustache, my chin, my nose, everywhere that needs to be brightened up. And then I'm going back into that same beauty sponge that I used for my foundation to blend everything out and make sure it looks good. Now I'm contouring using my Colourpop foundation stick, and I love this foundation stick so much. Like, it is so warm and it just looks amazing. And I like to blend it out with like a brush instead of like a beauty sponge, because I just feel like it looks so good that way. And then I'm going into my powder, and I took the Fenty Beauty powder, and I'm just cutting my cheekbones and warming the powder up to the concealer. And then I went ahead and sprayed my matte setting spray. And whenever I do this, I like to dap it in with like or pat it in with like a beauty sponge, so that it dries down properly and actually gives me that gorgeous matte finish that I'm searching for. And then I'm preparing my eyelashes for the falsies, and I can't remember what mascara this was, honestly. And now I'm highlighting with my Wet n Wild highlighter. You guys know how much I ride for this highlighter so much. Like, this is my girl. And then I'm lining my waterline with the same eyeliner I used before. And now for my lips, these are from the Crayoncase, and they're matte lips. And whenever you're applying color like lipsticks, you have to be careful, because when you like make a mistake, it's so hard for you to like fix it because it's colored. And then I topped it off with the pink. And yeah, this is pretty much the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching me. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on my notifications, all that good stuff. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.